I show you now where you can get in Medjugorje some fresh vegetables. Just come with me. We go here on the right. And it's a vegetable shop where you can get really fresh vegetables. Nice to see you, man. Look what they have. They have so much things here. All kind of vegetables and fruits as well, as you can see over here. Raspberries. All fresh. I'm lucky I'm coming because he's closing the shop, so you come in the early morning until like 2 o'clock and he's still open 2 to 3, yeah. And look, isn't that beautiful? You can have all these fresh good vegetables. I, for example, like grapefruits a lot, melons, tomatoes. And there's big melons in the back, watermelons, potatoes, all kinds of fresh vegetables you can choose here. And they have very, very good prices. So when you are in Medjugorje, come and buy fresh vegetables. What's your name? Yes. Come buy the fresh vegetable at Josip's place. They are very good quality. So I leave you. I'm going to take some grapefruit now. Bye bye.